everybody, and welcome to another episode of My Mom's Recipe Box. We're out here in Little Italy in San Diego, California, and we are having a great time doing taste tests all around town. So today's taste test comes to you from the Devil's Dozen, which is a donut shop we found on Kettner Avenue.
Who knows? Kettner.
San Diego, in Little Italy. So they have this phenomenal display of donuts. So I just want to show you what we're going to be taste testing today. This is a caramel butterscotch donut with popcorn on top. This is a chocolate glazed donut. This is a vanilla bean donut.
I think they can tell who's going to eat which.
And this is what we're starting with, which is a chocolate tres leches cake donut. So stop yakking and get right to it, okay? So first of all, it's very sticky and it's very heavy. It's extremely moist and chocolatey. I'm not exactly sure what it has marshmallows on top, but it's very good. But I will tell you, it's extremely messy. I wish I had a fork, but this is a delicious donut, okay? So that's the tres leches, and delicious. And then I'm also gonna try, we're gonna start with chocolate. This is the chocolate glazed donut. It's very light, fluffy. Oh my God, you guys. This is such an incredible donut. The glaze, which usually when you get a donut that's glazed, just kind of like sweet. This is like the best chocolate frosting I ever had on a donut. It's amazing. If you guys are near the airport, get on a plane. Come to San Diego. We're close to the San Diego airport. Okay, I'm going to turn it over to the cameraman and let him try these beauties, okay?
Hi everyone, so I'm trying Susan's Tres Leches.
Yeah.
It's incredibly moist and messy, and for some reason it has marshmallows, but they're always good, so here we go.
Oh yeah.
Wow. It's really good. It's so moist. This is fabulous. Chocolate Tres Leches. I don't think I've had that before.
Speaking of fabulous,
So my pants kind of go with Susan's hoodie, right? We're just a burst of color, a splash of color
we're
here, a dash
extremely
of color there.
fashion forward here.
We are. Okay, I'm going to try the chocolate glaze.
Okay.
This one was excellent, just a mess, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, this one feels like it's floating on air with chocolate hovering above. Okay, two things. For those who watch this channel regularly, and that should be all of you, you probably know by now Susan is a much bigger fan of chocolate than I am. In other words, she's normal and I'm not. Most people love chocolate. For me, it's good. This is a phenomenal donut. The donut itself is like, it's so light, but it packs a punch with the taste. The chocolate's incredible. You could just eat this for hours. It is amazing, the chocolate. Eat yourself to sugar coma. Sensational.
Okay, so babe, do you want to give the non-chocolate donuts a try?
Okay, we'll start out with, yes, I'm very vanilla. So I vanilla bean. Again, it's really light and ooh, it's like just a powder puff of goodness, it feels like. By far the best vanilla donut I've ever had.
Wow.
I'm not sure I'm going to let Susan get any. You have to hide it in the box. Okay. Now this one looks a mess-tacular. In other words, phenomenal, but this is going to be a serious mess. Caramel butterscotch. I already got some on the finger I'm not even holding it with. That's how transformative this donut is. And it's got, as Susan said, caramel popcorn on top. Wow. This one I think goes with the maxim: the messier the donut, the better it tastes. This is incredible. I don't think I got the popcorn yet. We'll save that for another time. But this is a great donut. You can taste both caramel and butterscotch. The donut, again, like the other two, it's like floating on air. Devil's Dozens Donut Shop. We're at the San Diego location. I think they have others, but come to this location because why not? You're right. You're in San Diego, right? Thumbs up.
Hey, okay, so it's my turn to try the non-chocolate donuts. Yes, it is.
Not sharing.
Before we start, I wanted to give a shout out also to what we've been drinking.
Oh,
So this is Mark's Mexican mocha. It's
fantastic.
really good. It's very chocolatey, very cinnamony.
Explosion of
A
cinnamon.
really nice flavor. Not too, even for me, not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
Yeah, a good mocha, a Mexican mocha. And I had what I always like to have when I'm in San Diego, and this is a red eye. So this is coffee and espresso, a million sweeteners in it, sugar-free.
Because you like some coffee with your sweetener.
I do. I like a little coffee with my cream, and I like a little coffee with my stevia. Okay, so done with that. Now I'm going to try these donuts I've heard so many good things about.
People are saying.
So this is the, as you know, the vanilla bean donut.
So good.
Which is crazy. This isn't even a donut.
And the donuts are not expensive compared to other donut places. It's amazing.
This,
And you're not a big vanilla fan. It's so good.
I would eat a dozen of these.
And we will. But not on camera.
Oh my God, guys.
So take another bite ahead.
I'll take a small bite.
Okay. It's so good.
I don't have words for how good this donut is. This is probably the best donut I've ever had in my entire life.
It's amazing.
And I've had some really good donuts.
Yeah,
Don't
we
get
have,
me wrong.
We have. Okay, now the
Oh my
messy
God.
one. The mess-tacular.
Do the mess-
Mambo Jumbo. Come on. Be careful. It's a
I
tough
might be
one.
able to get popcorn.
It's good. Yeah, go for a popcorn. I didn't get one. This is so messy. It's wild.
Oh my God, that sauce.
They collide. The sauces collide and just,
That caramel.
yeah. The caramel's incredible.
Okay. If you've been watching our channel, and I know you have,
Yes, you have, people.
right? If you've been watching the Krispy Kreme taste test,
Sorry.
sorry Krispy Kreme.
We
I
love
love
you.
what you did for the
Yes,
pandemic.
absolutely.
But this is a donut.
It's amazing.
This is a donut. Take note. Unbelievably good. I mean, I can't get over how good this is. And we had a caramel popcorn donut at Krispy Kreme. And I liked it.
It was good.
Forget it.
No, don't forget it. But,
It's not worth it. Forget about the free donut.
and the great thing,
Buy a plane ticket.
these are not expensive, these donuts, compared to other donut places.
Buy a ticket. Get a hotel near the airport. You can walk here
You can walk. We did.
and get yourself some donuts
Exercise the calories off.
from Devil's Dozen Donuts.
Little Italy, San
Thank you so
Diego.
much for watching My Mom's Recipe Box. We'll be home soon, but in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed these San Diego taste tests. Take good care. Bye-bye.
Stay safe.